Let me show you another example. Find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence in how many ways this arrangement where the word start with letter P, or second case, let me tell you, do all the vowels always occur together, all the vowels never occur together, or the words begin with I at the end P. How to solve this question? Here the word I am giving you, independence. He is repeated and we have to find 4 cases. Let me show you this question. Look at this question. Find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence in how many of these arrangements, and there are the following 4 cases given. First, let us see how many arrangements can be done all together. Independence, count the number of letters, 12. Altogether there are 12 letters. Now find the repetitions. N is repeated, E is repeated, D is also repeated. Now count the number of repetition. N repeated 3 times, E repeated 4 times and D repeated 2 times. Rest of all are different, not repeated. So therefore, according to the formula, that is factorial n divided by the factorial of the repeated numbers. So here factorial n is factorial 12 and divided by the number of repetitions, factorial 3, factorial 4, factorial 2. All together if you calculate, the answer will be 1663200. Now let us consider the first part. In how many of these arrangements do the words start with P? So start with P means P has given one position, that is extreme left position is given to P. You secure it or mark it. So other than that, how many positions are there? That is 11. So among 12, 1 is fixed. So you have to check the arrangement of 11 numbers, that is factorial 11, and you have to consider the repetition also. So therefore this is factorial 11 divided by factorial 3, factorial 2, factorial 4, that is 138600. So this is all about the first part. Now the second part, it is very interesting. All the vowels always should occur together. So how many vowels are there? 4 E and 1 I. Altogether 5 vowels are there in this given word. So they have to occur together means they will be working as a single object. So I, you take it as one single object. So remaining, how many spots are there? 7 spots. So 12 minus 5, that is 7, and with this vowel spot we are getting 8 spot. So total arrangement factorial 8, and divided by the repetition. Here the repetitions are for 3 N's and 2 D's, that is factorial 3 by factorial 2. But corresponding to each of these arrangement, there are 5 vowels which is also arranged. So that is factorial 5. 5 vowels can be arranged in factorial 5 ways, and considering the repetition, it has to be factorial 4. So factorial 5 divided by 4. So this will be multiplied by factorial 8 divided by factorial 3 and factorial 2. So altogether you will see the number is 16800. Now the third case, if I ask you, the vowels never occur together. That means the remaining numbers, if you subtract total arrangement and if you subtract this vowels occurring together, you get the number of arrangements where vowels never occur together. So here we have seen that total arrangement is 1663,200 minus 16800 is the third part, that is all the vowels never occur together. Now if we have to see the number of arrangements where the word begin with I and end in P. So for that, what we are supposed to do? Here we have to fix I and P at the extreme ends. I at the left end, P at the right end. So similarly, we have got 12 letter. So 2 letters spot is fixed. So 12 minus 2, there are 10 letters. Factorial 10 divided by all the repetition. So all together you are getting 12600.